Hi friends, I hope you are all doing well today because today we are going to thrift flip this pair of shoes. So go ahead and take a pair of shoes that you already own, or you can thrift a pair of shoes, so whatever is your choice. But today we are going to is this a word? No, today we are going to refresh and revamp a pair of shoes. So let's get the material list going. Okay, so for this project you are going to need obviously your shoes, and then you are going to need acrylic paint. So I've done some researches and they say you can use acrylic paint to paint over leather. And they say you can use acrylic paint. Now I'm also going to need a container since I want to mix in this gold with a little bit of pink. And then you are going to need some brushes, and you are going to need a nail polish remover to clean off all of your surfaces, and you are going to need some paper pads to clean off, and going to need some band to cover the surface that you are not going to paint. So you can use the painter band, whatever how this is called, and I'm lazy today, I'm going to use this one here. So first I'm going to take my shoelace off, and once I've done this on both of my shoes, I'm going to use my nail polish remover and some paper pads and clean the surfaces. So remove all the dirt, or trying to remove all the dirt on my shoes. And then I'm going to take my container and mix in my colors. So I'm going to mix my pink, a little bit of pink into the golden color, and then I'm also going to put just a tiny bit of water, so just a few drops, and then stir this well all together. See, now I've put some water in, and this is how it's looking like. Now I'm going to cover the sole of the shoe because I actually don't want this to have color on it, so I'm going to leave it like this and then write something to it. And now I've decided where I want the golden color to come, and I'm going to paint this on both shoes. So using a small brush, and you do need to paint a few times, so if you want to have a more coverage. So this is how it's looking like after I've painted only one time. Now I'm going to do this several times, 5 times in total with the golden. And on one shoe I've already painted the spots with red where I want them to be red, and here is how I've done this. So using again a small brush, you want to go carefully at the edges so that the red color, it's not going to cover also your golden color or what color you are using or you used first. So just carefully take your time, and with the red I've painted my shoes only one time, so this was actually enough. Now what I've done next, I've mixed in red into my leftover golden color, mixed some red in, stir this well, and cover with this kind of coral color, like the front of the shoe where the shoelaces are going to come, and also on the side. So here is how I've done this, just carefully using a small brush. And also on the side I'm going to show you now how I've done this. So only with the tip of your brush, take some color and go in. And then I've also decided to turn my shoelaces a little bit colorful, and then also decided that I want to write something to my shoes. And that's all for today's video. Keep saving the planet with one thrift a flip at a time, and stay creative, stay bold, and wear what makes you you. Until next time, bye loves!